Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Capcut in laptop. If you want to use the Capcut for video editing on your laptop, then I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to simply go to your browser and there you have to search for Capcut download. Then you will see this one option which is for Capcut desktop. Simply click onto it and you will get to its website. Once you get there, you can just simply explore the website and simply get up and click on this option which is download for free. Click onto it and it will take you to this page. Then a pop-up will come up. It says it's downloading. If it is done downloading, then you have to click onto this link. As you click onto it, then it will just take a while and after that the downloading will start. Usually it just take a while. Once it is done, then you will see the downloading process will start. And once it get downloading, you have to click onto it and after that you have to install it. Installing hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes, and once it is done, then it will be downloaded and then you can use it. Now it has been installed successfully. Now it will just take a while in this processing and after that you will see it will be there, and now you can create or edit videos with the help of CapCut on your laptop. So that's how you can download CapCut in laptop. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.